Hello friends. So we will have an exercise based on WH questions in future perfect tense. Now yesterday we did examples, plenty of them. I think you yourself also have now made enough examples and converted them into WH questions. Now here we begin. For your guidance, I have given you the possible, or you can see the best option here towards the end of the sentence in brackets. Now all what you have to do is use these options and then frame questions. Right, let's begin. They will have seen their guru. We can have either who or whom. If it is who, you will say who will have seen their guru. Answer is they. Then if it is whom, you will say they whom will they have seen. So yeah, I will write down better. Whom will they have seen? Whom will they have seen? So that will be the both ways we can ask that question. Second one, she will have done it by now. When will she have done it? Then the answer is by now. Here this can be the answer or this can be the answer. So when will she have done it? Question mark. Third frame is many people will have suffered. So the question can be how many people or how many will have suffered. Then many people. Or how many people will have suffered. Many people will have suffered. Okay. That's it. How many will have suffered? How many will have suffered or how many people will have suffered? Sorry. Yeah, that's okay. Now the fourth one, the novelist will have written the novel. What? What will the novelist have written? The answer will be the novel. And next, the party will have reached the station. When? Where? Where will the party have reached? Answer is station. Where will the party have? Where will the party have reached? Question mark. 6. They will have received their guru's blessings. Whose blessings will they have received? Whose blessings will they have received? So the answer will be their guru's blessings. Simple. She will have gone home without attending. Why? Why will she have gone home without attending? Why will she have gone home without attending? So the reason you have to give, because she was ill. Something like that you can say. Alright, 8. Our enemies will have crossed the river. What? What will our enemies have crossed? Then the answer is the river. What will our enemies have crossed? Or you can also ask the question using who. Simple example. Who will have crossed the river? Then in that case, answer will be our enemies. The prodigal son will have wasted a lot of money. How much money will the prodigal son have wasted? So the answer will be a lot of money. How much money will the prodigal son have wasted? Jacob's sons will have bought 100 camels. How many camels will Jacob's sons have bought? Then you will get the answer 100. How many camels will Jacob's sons have bought? 100. Joseph's brothers will have taken many days to reach Egypt. So you can say duration. How long will Joseph's brothers have taken to reach Egypt? How long will Joseph's brothers will how long Joseph's brothers will Joseph's brothers have taken? So let us write down. How long will Joseph's brothers have taken? How long will Joseph's brothers have taken to reach Egypt? They will have traveled a long way to reach Egypt. How far will they have traveled to reach Egypt? So the answer will be a long way. How far will they have traveled to reach Egypt? 14. My friend will have preferred this one. Which one will your friend have preferred? My friend will become your friend. Which one? Then this one. This one is the answer now. This. Which one will your friend have preferred? And the last one, Joseph will have forgiven his brothers. So you can say, who will have forgiven his brothers? Joseph. In this case also you have got two options. You can also use who. Or, whom will Joseph have forgiven? Whom will Joseph have forgiven? And then you can say his brothers. So that is how. Simple, isn't it? So let's begin once again. They will have seen their Guru. Then you can say who. Who will have seen their Guru? Question mark. Or whom will have they seen? So this can be written like this. Since there is no space here, what we will make space. Isn't it? If there is no space, we will make space. Yes. Very simple for that. It's not very difficult. Just if we do one or two, then we will have plenty of space. So first question will be, who will have seen their Guru? They will have seen their Guru. Now, whom will they have seen? If you say here, whom will they have seen? It's not their Guru. So both possibilities are there. Is that clear? Okay, now we are going to have space. This is what I said. If there is no space, we will make space. That's all. Alright, next one. She will have done it by now. So the answer will be, when will she have done it? So the answer will be by now. Okay? Now we are going to have plenty of space. We thought that we will have no space, but now we have plenty of space. 3. Many people will have suffered. So how many people, or yes, how many people will have suffered? Question: how many people will have suffered? Okay. So that's okay. Now we have got plenty of space here. The novelist will have written the novel. What will the novelist have written? Question mark. So again we have plenty of space, right? Yes. So you have right. I have next one. The party will have reached the station. Where will the party have reached? Where will the party have reached? Okay, next. They will have received their guru's blessings. Whose blessings will they have received? Whose blessings will they have received? So we are going to have plenty of space again. Don't worry. No question of saying that there is shortage of space. Now there is plenty. She will have gone home without attending. Why will she have gone home? You have to give the answer. Our enemies will have crossed the river. What will your enemies or our enemies, your enemies will have crossed? Then you can say, or you can say, who will have crossed the river? Who will have crossed the river? Right? Okay? So we want space again, and so we are going to have, we'll make space. We are people with wonderful initiative, so therefore we can, yes. The prodigal son will have wasted a lot of money. How much money? How much money will the prodigal son have wasted? Question mark. And next, Jacob's sons will have got 100 camels. How many camels? How many camels will Jacob's sons have bought? Jas means Jacob's son. Yes. P-O-U-G-H-T. How bought? Okay. So they will always search. And then next we have got we need space again. So we will go ahead with this. We will use a JCB. And then we will make space for. There we go. And Joseph's brothers will have taken many days to reach Egypt. How long? How long will Jacob's brothers, Joseph's brothers will have taken to reach Egypt? And 13, they will have traveled a long way to reach Egypt. How far will they have traveled? They have taken to reach. So how long? Or how many days? Yes, but it's better to say how long. How many days is also good. So the how far will they have taken to reach Egypt? Or let's say how many days will they have taken to reach Egypt? You understand like that? How many days? Okay. And now we have got just two more. 3 more. They will have traveled a long way through Egypt. How far have they traveled? Did you write that? Yes, how far? How far will they have traveled? We have seen it. Long way to reach this. And then my friend will have preferred this one. What will, which one? Which one will your friend have preferred? Which one your friend have preferred? And Joseph will have forgiven his brothers. Whom will Joseph have forgiven? Whom will Joseph have forgiven, or who will have forgiven? Who will have forgiven Joseph's brothers? Then Joseph will say. So anyway, you can make questions like that. I think now it's very clear to you. Yesterday I explained everything. Now today I have done exercise. That also I have done 2 times. One orally and then written. I think it's perfectly alright by now for you. And as I always say, make your own sentences, convert them into questions, read them aloud in groups or in asides or alone. You can do it. It's no problem. No problem. You can do it. Okay? Fine. See you again.